The one number that ruins auction deals, most investors ignore it. There's one number that silently destroys auction deals every single day, and most investors don't realize they got it wrong until it's too late. That number is after repair value, or ARV. ARV is the estimated value of a property after all repairs and renovations are completed, not what it's worth today, not what Zillow says, what it will realistically sell for once it's fully fixed up. And here's the problem. If your ARV is wrong, every other number is wrong, your max bid is wrong, your rehab budget is wrong, your profit projection is wrong, one bad ARV can turn a great deal into a financial nightmare. Most investors mess up ARV for three reasons. First, they trust Zillow or online estimates too much. Those numbers don't account for condition, layout, or investor-grade finishes. Second, they use bad comps. They pull sales from different neighborhoods, different school districts, different house sizes, or they compare a fully remodeled home to a half-dated property. Third, they ignore finish level. A basic flip and a high-end flip do not sell for the same price, even on the same street. Here's the right way to get ARV, the way professional investors do it. Step 1, pull recent sold comps, only not active listings, not pending, sold within the last 3 to 6 months. Step 2, match the property closely, same, neighborhood square footage, plus or minus 10%, bed and bath count, similar lot size. Step 3, match condition and finish level. Only compare your property to homes that look like yours. Will look after rehab. If your flip will be builder grade, use builder grade comps. If it will be luxury, use luxury comps. This is the part most investors miss. Your ARV directly determines your maximum allowable offer. Overestimate ARV by $25,000, and you'll overbid by tens of thousands at auction. That's how investors win auctions and still lose money. Auction investing isn't risky. Bad numbers are. If you want to buy at auction safely, you must lock in your ARV, build your deal backwards, and never let emotions override math. If you want to learn how I analyze auction deals step by step, from ARV to max bid to rehab strategy, that's exactly what I teach inside my monthly membership. The link is below. Do your numbers before auction day, or the auction will do them for you.